How to log in or sign into Deltanet Extranet account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can sign in into Deltanet Extranet account. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. For that, go ahead and launch your preferred web browser in any of the devices. Either, for example, Google Chrome. I'm using Brave for now, and enter Deltanet Extranet in your search bar. After that, you'll be finding results here. So go ahead and locate this first one, which is deltanet.delta.com, which is the official one, and tap on it, and that will take you to the login page for Delta's Extranet. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username, typically your Delta login or PPR. After that, your password below it. So depending upon the security settings, after that you enter it, you might be asked to complete a captcha to confirm you're not a bot. And once you've entered your credentials, click on login or sign in button to access your account. And if you have any kind of two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be asked to complete this step typically through a code sent to your mobile device or email. Enter that up and click on submit. And then you'll be directed to the Extranet's dashboard where you can access various Delta resources, policies, tools, and benefits. And that is it. That is how you log in or sign in into Deltanet Extranet account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And we will see you on the next one.